you. Hi, everyone. My name is Christina Mangurian. I'm a professor and vice chair for diversity and health equity in the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences. I'm also really proud to be the director of a new program that we're launching here at UCSF to promote the careers and career development of historically excluded research faculty at our university. I really thank many of you for your attending and participating in our first launch that was on March 28th of 2022. As mentioned during that launch, while the overall vision of the program is to support all historically excluded research faculty, we plan to have our initial focus on URM research faculty specifically. Many of you courageously joined the discussion and voiced your feedback and concerns. And I just want you to know that we heard you and really valued your input. We know also that many of you felt uncomfortable and unsafe in sharing your thoughts because you weren't really sure if the institution was listening to you. We really want our program to be different. We care about your voice and want to help you thrive and have your career thrive here at UCSF. Each of the members of the fantastic team we have here today are going to describe some of the concerns we've heard and the steps that we're going to try to take in partnership with you and with leadership at UCSF to address them. Dr. Mclemore.
Hi, everyone. I'm Monica Mclemore. I'm a tenured associate professor in the Family Healthcare Nursing Department. I am a clinician scientist at Advancing New Standards in Reproductive Health, which is a program of the Bixby Center for Global Reproductive Health. And we heard you. First of all, thank you so much for your honest and forthright, authentic feedback. We understand that historically trust has been broken, and it is something that we need to really build and co-build and repair with you. We are planning some exciting activities, including some seminars and other opportunities to be able to continue to receive this feedback, and this video is just one piece of it. We also want you to know that we are going to be developing opportunities for anonymous feedback, where we will be able to answer questions or participate in simulating discussions. This is not the last video you will see from us, because we are really committed to making sure that we can co-build this program together and to make sure that we have two-way authentic communication. So thank you.
Excellent. Dr. Sarkar.
Hi, I'm Rumi Sarkar, professor in the Department of Medicine and Division of General Internal Medicine. On the call with you, we heard that mentorship really varies among our URM research faculty. Some people feel over-mentored and under-sponsored, and others feel like they are being really taken advantage of to check the box of their mentor's diversity statements without getting very much in return. So with this feedback, we plan to create and move forward some URM research faculty mentoring guidelines, requirements, and expectations that will be available for mentees and mentors. We will simultaneously be working with administration and UCSF leaders to create accountability metrics to ensure that mentors meet expectations and fulfill the intent of mentoring for our URM research faculty. Our first seminar will be focused on this very topic, and we hope you'll join us and continue to provide your input there.
Thank you. Dr. Jacoby.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Jacoby. I'm a professor in the Department of Obstetrics, Gynecology, and Reproductive Sciences. I want to address an issue that we also heard from you regarding the minority tax. I want to highlight and acknowledge the significant toll that the minority tax takes on our URM research faculty at UCSF, serving on more committees, having more mentees, having more teaching and other responsibilities than other faculty members. Our group has a primary focus, and this program has a focus, to continue working actively with the UCSF administration about how to provide funds or protect time to URM faculty that are doing this important work. This work is extremely valuable. And UCSF has a responsibility to acknowledge and to reward the work that so many of our URM research faculty do.
Great. Dr. Hernandez?
Hi, Ryan Hernandez. I'm a professor in the Department of Bioengineering and Therapeutic Sciences. And I'm really excited to be involved in this because one of the greatest strengths of UCSF is our community, but too often different aspects of our community get siloed in different places. And we don't necessarily always have the tools we need to connect with each other and discuss what needs to be discussed within our community. And so we're hoping to rebuild that. We want to have a concerted effort to bring all of us together to discuss, to talk about things, and to figure out what questions we should be asking, because not all of us necessarily know what questions we should be asking when we're in a particular situation, to make sure that we're all safe and taken care of throughout our tenure at UCSF. And so I'm really looking forward to building this with all of you, and I can't wait for more.
Thank you all so much for that. The last point that I'll raise is many of you were wondering about what UCSF was doing in terms of retention. There's so much conversations going on about recruiting new faculty, but what about supporting URM faculty who are already here, doing really hard work and mentoring committee service in addition to their science? We heard that as well. And in addition to the mid-career mentoring program that we started and we're going to continue to have, we're also working on building community groups of other peers, basically so that there's peers of mid-career URM faculty researchers who can meet together and ideally probably help to advocate for some change. In addition, I've had some initial conversations with the university and starting to think more strategically about how we move forward in retention efforts, because currently these are often one-offs and they should be done a little bit differently. So in summary, I think as you hopefully see and hopefully feel, we envision a new UCSF. Ones where we aren't just simply members of the community, but where we all feel like we belong and are valued and our opinions matter. I completely agree with the colleagues that I have here today that you are what makes UCSF special. And we want someplace where all of our faculty can be brilliant, creative, and have innovative ideas that move forward, and where you all and we all can thrive together. So thank you.